What's up, family? It's Chris.
And it's Big Call.
And you're watching Bad Eyes Like TV Eyes, and we're back at it again with another video.
Yeah, this is another educational video, I think.
We hope.
Yeah, we hope. It's called Pass the Pepper, I think. Social distancing is nothing to sneeze at. Hard.
Okay, well, you see we got a jokester here.
We got a joke here.
That was a good one. Anyways, guys, we're going to get right into the video. But before we do, don't forget
Shooting
to
outside.
like, comment, subscribe, and share. Comment down below if you guys like snakes. Hit that notification bell to get a notification we upload. And subscribe to join the family. Now, let's get into the video.
Hey, Lyle, can you pass the pepper, please?
I know you lying. Them boys done made a whole contraption to get the pepper from M&M.
Y'all need to stop when my food cold. I don't want this.
Lost my appetite
Right.
at this point.
I don't even need it no more now. I can finish eating.
Meal done. I'm on the dessert. What I need pepper for?
Pepper in my ice cream. Dang, man. First of all, y'all got a long table.
I'm about to say.
That's
Oh, it
first.
gotta be 6 feet.
Okay, 6.
That's why 6 feet.
This table about
They
6.
put the tables together.
Okay.
It look like more than one table. Look.
I was gonna say I got it. Cause I'm gonna say this table might be 6 feet.
Oh, you gotta sit on opposite ends.
So that's a long table. Boy, I got 12-foot table. Got the little cute thing.
Oh, okay.
You know what?
Nah, but for real, your food cold. We was playing that first, but
Nah, yeah, you really cold by now.
for real, all this table.
Put all the tables together. You right. Yeah, I see the little slits. They put all the tables together. Got the pots out.
And then start cooking noodles. What's next? Spaghetti? What is this?
Hey, by the time the pepper get over the next meal, breakfast
Tomorrow,
time now.
right? Dang, that thing was hot. It cooked them noodles fast.
If they got a contraption that can do this for 5 minutes, this got to be a record somewhere.
The contraption is still going. Nah, but for real though, it gotta get 5 minutes to get to me, bro.
Right.
I know you lying. It's not gonna do it. Oh, okay. I thought it was gonna pour on the laptop.
Yeah, I want to say, y'all better get it right this first time. Because I don't care how much money you got, you mess that laptop up, you going to be mad.
What? Wow.
Okay, well, you got-
Birthday cake. Oh, that's the dessert. Might as well send it to you.
Exactly, right. Pass that on down here, too.
They made pinball at this point.
Bro, I don't know what that is going on.
What? We need 3. Oh yeah, they got the blue one.
Password. Bro, this gotta be a record. I don't watch these kind of videos, but is there really a little course, whatever these little things are called with this going on?
You got wine, tea, or coffee, lemon. Wait, what?
Oh, they gotta be done.
You can't have a waste on the table.
I know they ain't gonna
Dominoes.
knock that big old weight down. I know they ain't.
Nah, all the video was going good. Now I'm not finna break my table every time somebody needs something.
Exactly.
We finna just buy our
And
own.
stain
You
my
gonna
floor.
have your peppers. I'm gonna have my peppers. You
and
don't
we
gotta
gonna
ask
do that
them.
like that.
Like this too much. It ain't even done yet. that it? Oh, that thing going.
So that was supposed to happen. Wow. Chef Darby rolling
Roll
around.
the can to y'all. What is this? What's that? Oh, that's his plate. Okay, it's finally getting to
Oh,
him.
he finally getting his pepper. That boy
Almost.
went to sleep.
I know you lying.
That's
They found a way for him to not even have to touch it. Wow, the thing.
hilarious.
That's funny.
That's hilarious. But when is it gonna stop?
Oh.
Thank you. Oh, can you pass the wine?
Oh no.
Thank you for joining me for this lovely dinner from a distance.
We can't
I'd
pass
also
the
like to
wine,
give a
bro.
big
That's
thank you
it.
to my Patreon supporters. Without you guys, I would not be able to make machines like this. I'm going to read out some of your names.
Good
Apologies for
boy
the
set
terrible
up a
pronunciation.
whole
Patricia
obstacle
Coleman,
course.
Mike Goodsir, Roman Valentine, James Rossi, Kevin White,
Okay,
Stone,
well, yeah, that's the end of the video.
That was impressive.
Yeah, I know that took a lot of time because you got to make sure everything goes correct.
Right.
And let's just say simpler, like when you do the dominoes, it's already hard to
Already
do that.
give you a problem. And that 4
Oh,
minutes
contraption.
of rolling, falling, twisting, turning, spilling,
Breaking.
breaking.
All right, well, they got it.
Right. He got his peppers.
5 minutes later,
Exactly. Food
the little
cold.
thing responds about 12 hours later. Alright, this is the end of the video, guys. If you'd like to see the original video by yourself, the link will be down in the description below, and so is our social media. Add us, follow us. You guys should already know the deal. But since this is the end of the video, don't forget to like, comment, subscribe, and share. Comment down below what you guys like next. Hit that notification bell to get a notification we upload. And subscribe to join the family. See you guys in the next video.